the best ski resorts in Japan. This video is about the 5 best ski resorts in Japan. You know I love exploring the globe for unique experiences, and this time, we're hitting the slopes of Japan. Did you know Japan has over 500 ski resorts? That's more than the number of ramen shops in some cities. Okay, maybe not, but it's a lot. From hidden backcountry bowls to perfectly groomed runs with epic views, Japan is a skier's dream. And trust me, I've been dreaming about this trip for a while. We're diving deep into 5 of the absolute best ski resorts Japan has to offer. We're talking legendary powder, next-level terrain, and a whole lot of Japanese culture. Whether you're a seasoned pro craving fresh tracks, or a beginner looking for the perfect place to shred, this video is your ultimate guide. So, strap on your boots, grab your goggles, and let's drop in. Ready to embark on your next adventure? Don't miss out on the chance to explore the world with our exclusive travel packages. Click the link in the description now and discover incredible destinations, unbeatable deals, and unforgettable experiences waiting just for you. Your dream getaway is just a click away. Let's make it happen. First up, we're heading north to the island of Hokkaido, home to Niseko, a name synonymous with legendary powder. Seriously, this place gets absolutely dumped on with an average of over 15 meters of snowfall each year. That's like a whole lot of powder, my friends. And when that fluffy white stuff falls, Niseko transforms into a playground for skiers and snowboarders of all levels. We're talking wide-open bowls, perfectly spaced tree runs, and groomers that'll have you carving like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or just starting out, Niseko's got something for everyone. But it's not just the skiing that makes Niseko special. Oh no, my friends. This place has vibes for days. Imagine this. After a long day on the slopes, you're soaking in a traditional onsen, surrounded by snow-covered trees, with steam rising to meet the crisp mountain air. And the food? Don't even get me started on the food. From steaming bowls of ramen to the freshest sushi you'll ever taste, Niseko's culinary scene is as impressive as its slopes. And when the sun goes down, Niseko's nightlife comes alive. We're talking lively bars, bumping clubs, and enough après-ski action to keep you going all night long. Trust me, Niseko is an experience you won't forget. So, pack your bags, grab your snow gear, and get ready to experience the magic of Niseko. Next up, we're heading to the heart of the Japanese Alps, to a place that hosted the world back in 1998, Hakuba Valley. This place is home to not 1, not 2, but 10. Yes, you heard that right, 10 different ski resorts spread across the valley. That means over 200 runs to explore, each one more epic than the last. We're talking serious mileage, my friends. Hakuba Valley is where legends were made during the Nagano Winter Olympics, and you can feel that Olympic spirit as you carve down those same slopes. From challenging black diamond runs to mellow groomers perfect for cruising, Hakuba has something for every skill level. But what really sets Hakuba apart is the sheer variety of terrain. Looking for steep and deep? Hakuba's got you covered. Want to float through glades? They've got that too. How about some park action? Hakuba's got some of the best terrain parks in Japan. And after a day on the slopes, Hakuba Valley doesn't disappoint. Think cozy traditional Japanese inns, steaming bowls of ramen to warm your soul, and enough sake to keep the party going all night long. Next on the list is Nozawa Onsen, where tradition meets powder. Get ready to experience the true spirit of Japan, because we're heading to Nozawa Onsen, a place where time seems to slow down and the ancient traditions of Japan blend seamlessly with the thrill of skiing. Nozawa Onsen is more than just a ski resort. It's a journey back in time. Imagine this. You're cruising down a perfectly groomed run, surrounded by snow-covered trees, and the only sound you hear is the gentle whisper of the wind through the branches. As you approach the village, the aroma of sulfur fills the air, a reminder that you're in the heart of onsen country. Onsens, or hot springs, are an integral part of Japanese culture, and Nozawa Onsen is home to over 13 public onsen baths scattered throughout the village. After a day on the slopes, there's nothing quite like slipping into the steaming hot water, letting your muscles relax, and feeling the stress melt away. But it's not just the onsens that make Nozawa Onsen special. The village itself is a charming blend of traditional Japanese architecture, narrow cobblestone streets, and friendly locals who welcome you with open arms. As you wander through the village, you'll stumble upon hidden shrines, charming cafes, and traditional restaurants serving up authentic Japanese cuisine. And don't forget to try the local specialty, Nozawa Nabe, a hearty hot pot dish, perfect for warming you up after a day on the slopes. Nozawa Onsen is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in Japanese culture and experience the magic of skiing in a truly unique setting. Our next of the 5 best is Furano, long runs and laid-back vibes. Next stop, we're trading the hustle and bustle for something a little more laid-back. A little more, well, Furano. Located in the heart of Hokkaido, Furano is known for its long, cruisy runs, stunning scenery, and relaxed atmosphere. Imagine this. You're gliding down a wide-open run, the sun on your face, the wind in your hair, and in the distance, you see the majestic Tokichidaki volcano, its snow-capped peak piercing the sky. That's Furano, my friends. A place where you can escape the crowds and truly enjoy the simple pleasures of skiing. Furano is a great option for families and intermediate skiers looking for a more relaxed pace. The slopes are generally less crowded than some of the other resorts on our list, and the vibe is definitely more laid back. But don't let that fool you. Furano still packs a punch when it comes to skiing. With 2 main ski areas, Furano Zone and Katanaman Zone, there's plenty of terrain to explore. And for those looking for a challenge, Furano's backcountry offers some seriously epic powder runs. But Furano is more than just skiing. The town itself is charming and welcoming, with a great selection of restaurants, cafes, and shops. Be sure to try the local specialty, Furano curry, a delicious and warming dish perfect for a cold winter's day. And if you're looking for something a little different, check out the Furano Cheese Factory, where you can sample some of the region's finest dairy products. Last but not least is Shiga, the king of mountain resorts. We're finishing our epic ski adventure in Shiga, a place so vast, so expansive, that it's often called the king of mountain resorts in Japan. We're talking about 19, yes, you heard that right, 19 interconnected ski resorts, all accessible with a single lift pass. That's a whole lot of skiing, my friends. Located in the Joshinetsu Kogen National Park, Shiga is a winter wonderland of snow-covered peaks, pristine forests, and steaming hot springs. It's the kind of place that takes your breath away the moment you arrive. Shiga has something for everyone. Whether you're a beginner looking for gentle slopes, an expert craving challenging terrain, or a powderhound searching for fresh tracks, Shiga has got you covered. And with so many resorts to choose from, you can spend your entire trip exploring new runs and discovering hidden powder stashes. But Shiga is more than just a place to ski. It's a place to connect with nature, to breathe in the fresh mountain air, and to experience the true beauty of the Japanese Alps. After a day on the slopes, soak in one of the many onsen, relax in your cozy lodge, and enjoy a delicious meal of local specialties. And don't forget to spend some time exploring the national park, with its stunning hiking trails, frozen waterfalls, and breathtaking views. Shiga is a place where you can truly escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. So, there you have it, my friends. 5 of the best ski resorts Japan has to offer, each with its own unique charm and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're chasing powder in Niseko, soaking in the onsen of Nozawa Onsen, or exploring the vast terrain of Shiga, Japan's ski resorts are sure to leave you breathless. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ski resorts in Japan? Have you discovered any hidden gems? Drop a comment below and let's share our love for Japanese powder. And hey, if you're looking for more epic adventures in the land of the rising sun, make sure you check out my next video, where we'll be exploring the best winter festivals and cultural experiences Japan has to offer. Stay tuned. And, as always, happy travels.